That's it. Felt about that nibble. Man, I hope he's not small. Hey, where's he at? Hey, he's big. I can see by his mouth. He's getting rushed in by the waves. Oh, he's... Shit. Damn. It's a nice size, y'all. Ah, man, fresh bait, y'all. Oh, that's a nice one. What? No? Oh, man, this is a nice one, though. Yeah, that was that fresh bait I just put. Yeah, so the water, it started coming up deep over here, start filling in. So we had to come back. Like the fish was hitting out there, but yeah, I ain't taking the risk of the water filling up behind me. So I moved over here. Ain't no fish worth it. Remember that, y'all.